without this, I don't know what I'd do with that.
We pass the baton?
Or the baton. Follow. But I would like to say that, in fact, as we are here, my thought, in fact, someone who was with me in one committee back there in, I think it was 2000, was a kind of 12-member committee. And our mission was to help ICANN understand what their large should be. And we were in this group, and he was former Prime Minister of Sweden. He was saying, what is this ICANN about? He said, well, I understand nothing. But this is about putting an elephant in the room and having, 10 blind men describe what they are feeling, what they are touching. But we are supposed also to talk about, to design the at-large structure. And then the question was, who is at-large? What is at-large? He said, well, I have no idea. Is that the registrant? Is that the individual users? And we had heated debates there. So we came up with ALSC. We came up with the structure of what we are having today. And for me, it's quite interesting to see that whatever we lay down on the papers is quite, I'm seeing this. I'm so happy for that. Not everyone knows that we really fought, because we were saying ICANN needs some sort of legitimacy, and that legitimacy is going to come from the registrant. It's going to come from the users. It's going to come from those who actually contribute to the internet. It was difficult to really have people understand that, and we were trying to do this. Nii told you that he was the first elected, director. He didn't tell you the condition where we really elected him there. We voted him in. It was about knowing whether we are going to vote online, globally, to select directors. And I remember when we were doing these votes, the very last day, not many people from Africa could access the website to have their vote, because China was voting. No, it's real. So we elected Nii. I think we had 36 voices globally. 36 people that voted globally for Nii. While other region we are having 20,000, whatever. Which means that we had an issue of accessing the website, because we didn't have the condition from Africa. These are the conditions where we really elected Nii. So I'm happy that we do have all of this, interest. And one thing I would like to point out also here is the volunteer that you guys are doing. How to volunteer to the community. Some questions that we are having, me and a few people, is okay. We would like to really, stay back and see younger generation come to this thing. We would like to be the one that will be in the forefront right now. We've tried to do whatever we could. So how do you explain to the younger generation that should be volunteering? They should be thinking about the community improvement, those things. These are some of the things we are having in mind. I don't want to take much of your time. I'm so happy to be here. I was supposed also to rush out like my other colleagues, because we also have commitments. I really wanted to stay behind and then share a few words, and then also the wine that he said. I'm not going to talk about the Africa strategy. It is going to take us. But this is kind of a new era for us in Africa. But this gives us a possibility to do concrete things and stop with recommendations and do things that really make Africa a real market. So that's what it's about. Africa as business, as part of the industry of the internet. I think that's what boils down. It's not about aid. It's not just about assisting Africa. It's about having Africa do some of those things, and then assistance will come later. So thank you for inviting me, and then I'll stop here.